How to choose furniture that complements your wallpaper. When it comes to interior design, the relationship between furniture and wallpaper is crucial for creating a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing space. Whether you're redecorating a single room or an entire home, selecting furniture that complements your wallpaper can make a furniture. You have more freedom with furniture choices. Experiment with different styles and colors. Textured wallpapers can pair well with both modern and traditional furniture. Examples: a textured beige wallpaper can be complemented by a rustic wooden dining set or a sleek modern sofa in a contrasting color. Geometric desigs. Consider color schemes. Color coordination is vital. Here are some tips to ensure your furniture complements your wallpaper. Monochromatic scheme. Approach. Use varying shades of the same color. This creates a serene and cohesive look. Examples: if your wallpaper is a soft blue, choose furniture in varying shades of blue or knee. Choosing furniture that complements your wallpaper involves understanding the style, color schemes, balance of patterns and textures, scale and proportion, creating focal points, and incorporating your personal style. By following these guidelines, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing space that reflects your unique taste.